I wanted him to get his stuff. I haven't moved his stuff. I sent a picture last night, and I told him to get his stuff by my bed where I was sleeping. I was asleep right here. I was asleep right there, and that was his shirt, his socks, his everything. And my bed's been all messed up. I don't. I didn't sleep well during those times because I didn't feel safe. The messages, I had prior, that's why I wanted him to cancel it, because it was disgusting. I don't want him either. Hate him. Like, y'all have no idea. And I told him what he did. I didn't like him in that way. I told my mom we were gonna stream, and she was worried about me. I didn't claim anything. I said no means no. I wanted this. But like I said, no one would have believed me anyway, so there was no point of saying anything. Y'all have no idea. Poe knows. He knows. It was because he had me and Poe go there, and he lied to us. I've been a victim before. Just how are you gonna tell someone that's lying? You don't even personally know me. Poe knows. He told Poe he was lying. That's not. I saw the message. I completely saw the message. And that's why we both are just like mind fucked right now. Because he wanted me to. Because I kept denying it. And he was mad at me for that. He was guilt tripping me. Oh, by the way, he started following me back on this account today. I wish I had like recordings. He's not going to tell the truth. Why do you think he left? Because I called him out. Why do you think I only had 3 hours of sleep? Because I went to the couch and I couldn't sleep again. I didn't call the cops or anything. That's why I don't like alcohol. I didn't take pictures of him. The spare bedroom. It's not fake. Y'all can believe me or y'all don't have to. I'm not saying anything else. I know who's got my back. He wanted me to, because people were saying that I abandoned him. He lied to y'all about that too. Oh yeah. And Milo kissed me on the nose, and he liked that I cuddled with Milo. Because Milo's really protective of me. And then after a few days, Milo ended up giving him a nose kiss, and he was like, "Oh, that's so cute." No, I'm not gonna ruin his life on stream. He told me everything that everyone said as well. I was angry. I didn't even want him back. I let Poe in, but Chicken was with Poe, so I was like, I didn't say it. I said no means because no one will ever believe me. Look at how many people support him. Look at how many people think I'm all these things. To get his stuff. Been telling him to get his stuff. I don't want any part of it. No, I only watched him tonight when he told me to watch him. Poe and I don't want to talk about it. I didn't say the word. And Poe showed me the nasty messages that he sent to Poe, and he was disgusted. We had that too. Poe doesn't want to talk about this. That's why. He asked me if I'm going to stream or not. We have it, right? He's just not going to slander it. But, yeah, me and Poe finally got some good rest, which was nice. Not lying. I'm not lying. No, not that night. Yeah, that's what me and Poe are doing. Just keeping it private. That night when he gave me a beer, I didn't want to drink, and I didn't drink. I didn't feel like drinking because it's a downer. Thank you. Mm-mm. He wanted to make me drunk. I didn't want to drink. I denied the beer. I took 2 sips and I was done. I took those pictures around 9 a.m. actually. So he had already moved like 3 positions. Oh no, was just killing him. Yeah, it doesn't matter. No, I said I did, but he woke up and he told me go ahead and do that because people were calling me saying awful things that I abandoned chicken. Like I said, I'm not going to talk any more further about this. He knows what he did. No, Poe's nice. He respects me. Poe's pretty chillin'. It is nice that me and Poe finally got some sleep. Different rooms, obviously. I didn't say the name. I did not say that. I just said no means no. Yeah, because I finally got him to stop. So it stopped. It's fine. He knows he was being an asshole, but I forgave him. I told him I wasn't going to do anything. I don't care where he goes, who he's with. I really don't care. I don't want to be with him ever. I love you, Milo. I don't know the Laura person other than I guess she was obsessed with some guy. Apparently every girl is obsessed with some guy with him. Yeah, to be good to his friend isn't for me. Because his friend, he just tries to think of the positives, you know what I mean? I haven't really watched him. The only reason why I watched him was because he told me to.